Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing best trend forex trading and 4 indicators. A trend forex trading indicator system is a set of tools and techniques used by forex traders to identify trends in the forex market and make trading decisions based on those trends. The goal of this system is to identify the direction of the trend and then take advantage of it by buying or selling currency pairs. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. So let's start now. For buy trade we need below indicator dashboard trend shows 90% of trends are in one direction, and in this indicator also all candles should be in green color and candle pressure shows high pressure on the candle. And in this situation, if you get a buy signal on the chart, then this would be a right opportunity to take a buy trade here. Place your stop loss at the previous low and take profit would be risk-reward ratio 1:1. For sell trade we need below indicator dashboard trend shows 90% of trends are in one direction, and in this indicator also all candles should be in red color and candle pressure shows high pressure on the candle. And in this situation, if you get a sell signal on the chart, then this would be a right opportunity to take a sell trade here. Place your stop loss at the previous high and take profit would be risk-reward ratio 1:1. This indicator system best work on 5 minutes time frame. Avoid trading during news release time. The system works on forex, indices, stocks, and crypto. This is a trend trading indicator, so avoid trading during ranging market. I hope you must have understood this trading rules. If not, then it doesn't matter. We are going to take one perfect trade setup example, so that you will definitely understand. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this strategy. So let's start now. Please join my Telegram channel. For free download this indicator, link given below in the video description. Here is perfect buy trade setup as per our trading rules because here below indicator dashboard trend shows 90% of up direction, and in this indicator all candles also in green color and candle pressure shows high pressure on the candle. So we place our stop loss at the previous low and take profit would be risk-reward ratio 1:1. So let's watch this trade result in time-lapse mode. So here price almost reach our take profit level. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video, and I wish you a good luck, goodbye and happy trading.